key number that you're looking at ahead of that jobs report?
Well, if you're asking what I think that it's going to be, I don't know, but the number will probably be in the region of just under 200,000.
Do you think the market would rather have a soft number this time round because of the implications of what a strong number means for the Fed and rate hikes next year?
I don't think the jobs report's particularly important in this context. The issue really for the market is, are we going to have a trade war or not? And if we are going to have a trade war, then I think the market's got a real problem over the next year. And if we're not going to have a trade war, then of course, then the growth is fine, and the economy is on a good sort of upswing, and it should carry on, and the market should be bullish.
I mean, it's always hard, Charles, to sort of work out if these headlines reports about the likelihood of some progress between the US and China are true or not. But one big step that was taken this week is that the two presidents did actually speak to each other. Is that something that the market should indeed be rallying on, as it has in the last three sessions?
I think the poor market just has to guess in what is a binary situation dictated by politics, in which it's almost impossible to know which is going to happen next, because political forecasting is even more hazardous than economic forecasting. If there is an agreement between them, then the US economy should be fine for the year ahead, and I'd be bullish. If there isn't an agreement between them, I'd want to sell this market.
What about the midterms coming up next week? Is that a big factor, do you think, for equity markets?
Well, yes, it's bound to be, because it's going to be a big factor for Mr. Trump. And of course, exactly which way he bounces on the back of the midterms, of course, remains to be seen. But if the Democrats do well, he could argue that he should pay double or quits. If the Republicans do well, then he could feel vindicated. So either way, he could perfectly easily carry on with trade war processes, or alternatively, he may sort of just decide to turn on a dime, meet up with Xi Jinping at the G20 and do a deal.